On this video today, I'm going to show you a cheap traffic source that you can use to make money with CPA marketing as a complete beginner without any skills, without any experience. This method is very simple, and the best part is that it is available worldwide. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join a CPA marketing network. You can join CPA Build, you can join CPA Lead, Max Bounty, or any network that you want, you can join. In this case, we are using CPA Group. So what you have to do is that you have to create an account. It is available worldwide. So once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to come right here. Once you are here, click on Offer Tools. Once you click on Offer Tools, select My Offers. Once you select My Offers, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, these are offers that you can promote to earn money from home. You can see a lot of different offers that you can promote, but these offers, the payout is very low. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to search for a country where we can get offers with higher payout. So just come right here, click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to search for any country that you want. CPA offers, they are country specific. So what you have to do is that you have to find a country where you have a traffic source so that you can promote offers in that country. In this case, we are going to be promoting offers in Ireland. So just search for IE. Once you search for it, you can see Ireland right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see these are offers that you can promote to make money from home. So now what you have to do is that you have to select an offer that you can promote. To select an offer, you have to look at the requirement. If the requirement is very easy for your potential visitor to submit their details, you have to promote an offer like that. If the offer has a higher payout, you can also promote an offer like that. As you can see, this offer, start your Boxer Source subscription now. The requirement is credit card submit, so your potential visitors have to enter their credit card details so that they can get access to the offer. Most people are afraid to enter their credit card details online, so it is difficult for you to get a lot of leads with an offer like this. So what you have to do is that you have to search for offers that is pin submit. That is just a mobile number, so your potential visitors have to enter their mobile numbers to get access to the offer. You can see this offer right here, claim a iPhone 14 gift card. The requirement is pin submit. So your potential visitors have to enter their mobile numbers to stand the chance of winning iPhone 14 gift card, and you are going to earn $10.27 anytime you get a lead. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting this offer. To promote the offer, you have to get your affiliate link. So just click on the offer so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, this is the offer. You can see right here, this is your affiliate link. This is the warning. This offer is only allowed on Apple iOS in Ireland. You can see this is the payout. So anytime you get a lead, this is the amount that you are going to earn. You can see this is the requirement. Enter your mobile number now for a chance to win. So your potential visitors have to enter their mobile numbers. You can see this is the title of the offer. So one good thing about these offers is that you don't need to get a sale, and your potential visitors, if they enter their details, whether they win the gift or not, you are still going to be paid. So now what we have to do is that we have to find a traffic source so that we can get people in Ireland to click on our affiliate link and then enter their mobile numbers so that they can stand the chance of winning iPhone 14 gift cards, and we are going to be paid $10.27. The next step is that you are going to come on this website, ungars.com. On this website, you can buy traffic at a very cheap cost, and the best part is that you can select any country that you want. This platform is very cheap, so make sure you use this website to promote your affiliate link so that you can get many people to enter their details for you to make money. You can see they are available in 190 plus countries. So if you don't want Ireland, you can select any country that you want, and you can still buy traffic on this website. So now what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can run ads on this platform to get people in Ireland to click on your link and then enter the details so that you can be paid on CPA Group. To create an account, you are going to put your pointer on sign up. Once you put your pointer on sign up, select advertiser. Once you select advertiser, you are going to enter your email address, your messenger, so you can click on it and then select any kind of messenger that you are using. If you are using Skype, you can select that, WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, VK, others. So any social media network that you want, you can enter your username right here. Once you enter your username, you are going to click right here, I agree with terms and conditions and privacy policy. Once that is done, you are going to click right here, register, so that you can create your free accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to begin creating your campaign. To create a campaign, you are going to click right here, create campaign. Once you click on it, you are going to enter the name of your campaign right here. So let's type iPhone 14, something like this. Once you type the name of your campaign, the next step is that you are going to select your ad format. You can see it right here. They have pop under push notification, native ads. So any of them that you want, you can select. In this case, we are going to select push notification. Once you select it, the next step is that you are going to select the pricing model. If you want to pay per 1,000 impressions, that is CPM, you can select that. If you want to pay per click, you can select that. In this case, I want to select CPC, cost per click. I want to pay per every click that I get. Once that is done, you are going to select the price. You can see this is the price per click. If you want, you can change it. You can see it right here. So now what we have to do is that we have to reduce it because this is so high. So just reduce it. As you can see, this is my cost per click. If you want, you can increase it. You can decrease it. It depends on the amount that you want to pay. You can see this is the minimum amount and this is the maximum amount. So any of them that you want, you can select. In this case, I want to reduce it further. So let me put 0.9. This is the amount that I want to pay per click. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see landing URL. This is where you are going to paste your affiliate link. So you have to go back on CPA Grip, copy and paste your affiliate link right here. Once you come back on CPA Grip, you are going to click right here, copy link, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see title. So you are going to enter the title of the offer right here. So just come back on CPA Grip. You can see this is the title of the offer. Just highlight it. Once you highlight it, you are going to copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see description. So you are going to enter the requirement of the offer right here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, you can see this is the requirement. Just copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to paste it here as your description. So just paste it right here. You can see 49/40. So you have to reduce the characters to 40. So let's delete this. As you can see, that has been done. Enter your mobile number now to win, just like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see icons. So you are going to upload an image of the offer that you are promoting. To upload an image of the offer, what you have to do is that you have to come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back, you are going to put your pointer on the offer image. Once you put your pointer on it, right click. Once you right click, you are going to select save image as. Once you download the image of the offer, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, upload, so that you can upload your image. Once you click on upload, select your image, click on open. As you can see, that has been done. So you are going to crop your image. Just crop it the way you want. Let's crop it this way. As you can see, that has been done. Once you crop it, you are going to click right here, crop and save. As you can see, that has been done. If you want, you can upload the same image right here. So just click on upload. Once you click on upload, you are going to select your image, click on open. As you can see, they want us to design an image with this size. So if you want, you can go on Canva and then design an image of that size. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see targeting all countries. We are not targeting all countries. We are targeting Ireland. So click on it and then search for Ireland. So search for Ireland right here. As you can see, this is Ireland. Select it. Once you select it, you can see states. If you want to select a state in Ireland, you can do that. You can see cities. If you want to select any city in Ireland, you can do that. But in this case, we are targeting all states in Ireland, all cities in Ireland. So just leave it and then scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see all languages. We are not targeting all languages. We are targeting English and Irish. People who live in Ireland, they speak English and Irish. So we are going to select English and Irish. So click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to search for English. Search for English. Once you search for English, you can see it right here. Select it. Once that is done, you are going to search for Irish. So search for Irish right here. As you can see, Irish. Select that. Once you select the language, you are going to scroll down. You can see we are targeting all connections. So just leave it. Once that is done, you can see traffic type. If you are targeting adult traffic, you can select that. Mainstream and adult, you can select that. But in this case, we are targeting mainstream, so just leave it like this. Once that is done, you can see devices. In this case, we are targeting mobile phone, so click on it, select phone. Once that is done, you are also going to select tablet. Once you select the device, the next step is that you are going to select the operating system. So click on it. Once you click on it, we are targeting Apple iOS, so just select iOS. Once you select it, you can see browsers. There is no restriction. We are targeting all browsers, so just leave it. Once that is done, you can see limits. You can enter the amount that you want to spend per day on your ad right here. So right here, you can enter 30 or more. That is the amount that you want to spend on your ad daily. So just enter any amount that you want, because if the ad is not getting you results, you can pause it. So just enter any amount right here. In this case, I'm going to enter 30. Once that is done, you can see total limit. How much are you willing to spend in total on your ad? You are going to enter any amount that you want. In this case, let me just say $100. Once that is done, you can see frequency capping. How many times do you want a person to see your ad in 24 hours? You can see once. If you want, you can increase it to twice or thrice. Any number of times that you want a potential visitor to see your ad, you can select it right here. In this case, I'm going to select twice. I want a potential visitor to see my ad twice in a day. Once that is done, you're going to scroll down. You can see publishers. If you do not want your ad to be seen by certain publishers or certain zones, you can enter it right here. But in this case, we don't have anything like that. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see you can select the number of days that you want your ad to run. For example, if you don't want your ad to run on Monday 12 o'clock, you can deselect that. If you don't want your ad to run on Monday 10 o'clock, you can deselect that. You can customize it the way you want. In this case, I want my ad to run throughout the week, so just leave it. Once you have entered all the details, the next step is that you're going to click right here, Start Campaign, so that your ad can begin running on this website. Once you click on Start Campaign, you can see these are the details of your ad. You can see everything. As you can see, the status of your ad is still under moderation. So they have to look at your ad. If it does not violate their policies, they are going to allow it to run. In this case, there's no violation, so the ad can start running. But before your ad runs, you have to deposit funds so that they can spend it on your ad. To deposit funds, you are going to click right here, Add Funds. Once you click on it, you can select any of the payment methods that you want. You can see a lot of different payment methods, and the minimum deposit, you can see this one is $100, this one is 300 euros, you can see $300, $100. If you scroll down, you can see there are many other payment methods that you can select. You can see this one is $100, PayPal is $100, crypto is $100. So any of them that you want, you can select it and then deposit money into your accounts. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.